From a bad hair transplant? And are you really regretting the hair transplant that you did in the past? My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon. Please see this video till the end. I'm going to give you a few important tips on how you could have avoided a bad transplant and what you can do now. I have an 11-year experience with hair transplant, and in all these years I have summarized a few basic important facts and tips that you can use to prevent bad hair transplant. So what is a bad hair transplant? A hair transplant, 1, where hair does not grow. 2, patchy hair growth. It's grown somewhere, it has not grown somewhere. 3, destruction of the donor area, where the hair that is taken out from the back is taken out in a way that the rest of the donor area is totally destroyed. 4, bad hairlines, which means not following nature's laws of creating a male face and a female face. Lastly, pluggy appearance on the scalp, where bunches of hair are put in and there are large gaps. So these are the 5 most important botched up, messed up or bad hair transplants. Now what could you have done? The top 5 things that you could have really done to avoid a bad hair transplant are very simple. First always is, did you ask the correct question? Which means, did you check the reliability, credibility and authenticity of the treating doctor? So first, did you ask the correct question? 2, did you check the proper credentials, online, offline? Did you read about the reviews of your doctor? 3rd, was that person actually a doctor who was qualified to do your transplant? Did you do your background research? 4, did you see the results that the clinic has? Did you see the infrastructure? Did you see the staff? Did you meet any staff there, or were you not given proper access? 5, did you actually see your hairline being done? Now, I do a lot of reparative surgeries where a lot of bad transplants done from outside also come to me for repair work. Now, what amazes me is that most of these patients tell us that they were never shown how their hairline is going to be. Now, what is our pattern of work? So we always make a patient sit in front of a mirror. In my Delhi office, I have a 360-degree mirror plan wherein the person can see from the front as well as the sides. So we design the hairline and the person can see his or her hairline. We compare it with old photographs to create what in our view would be the most natural. But many of these patients say that they were actually never shown, or a discussion was actually never carried out as to what kind of a hairline they may have, which is so surprising because it's your own face, your own hair, your own head, and you yourself never bothered about how the hairline is going to come out to be. So these are the top things that you could have done to avoid a bad hair transplant. But what can you do now? So the most important things that you can do now: 1, please visit a proper qualified plastic surgeon or a dermatologist who is well qualified in the field of hair transplant. Please see some of their results of reparative hair transplants, and you should discuss about what techniques are going to be followed. Often in repair work, we need to do a combination of strip and extraction techniques. Usually one technique is never enough. We also sometimes need to take from the beard or the chest in order to give a nice decent coverage. So this, to my mind, is the most important thing that you can do now to correct your problem. Secondly, please don't lose heart. Have confidence in the system. A very large number of actors, cricketers, politicians, important personalities undergo transplant on a regular basis, and just because you did not have a great experience does not mean that there is no correction. So please don't lose heart. Have confidence in the system. Have confidence in a good plastic surgeon to correct your previous bad job and give you a beautiful new look. So these are the things that I can suggest. I'm glad that you were able to watch till the end. I really wish you can subscribe to this channel, because I would keep giving you more and more small bits of information which actually might help you a lot. whether you're able to reach a decision, whether some of your doubts are cleared, or you can even reach out to me. You can contact me on 9811 994417, or you can email me on my email info@divinecosmeticsurgery.com. So have a great day. My name is Dr. Amit, and if there's anything that you'd like to ask from me, please go ahead. Thank you.